Now that all new seats of SOLIDWORKS come with cloud services, I can share my files with anyone. Here I'm choosing to share a step file that I will make downloadable, but I'm going to restrict this access to certain email addresses. I'm also going to give them the ability to leave comments and red lines and markups, all without having to install software like SOLIDWORKS or even eDrawings. When I hit share, the system automatically emails them a link. Clicking the link, they can log in with a free 3DEXPERIENCE ID. Once logged in, everyone has view manipulation, rotation of the 3D file, all inside of a web browser. And of course, there's markup and redline tools here as well. Maybe someone realizes that we could make a more ergonomic design for this handle right off the bat. Or someone's keeping in mind the performance of this vehicle and sees an opportunity to share some weight. It's easy for anyone to share their ideas like this back and forth as we all have visibility on each other's comments. Of course, back in SOLIDWORKS, this is stored inside of 3DDrive, so I don't even need to leave the environment to have the same interface and see every red line that was made and every comment along the way. And of course, I can provide my thoughts on those as well.